Hi everyone, I so appreciate you stopping in to see what I am up to. I have a special box for me. I absolutely love it. I have an advent calendar from Sugarfina. Now, I don't know if any of you have heard of Sugarfina, and this is their Santa's Workshop, a candy tasting collection right there. Show you the bag. And these are just little samples of all their candy, basically. I think they give a good look there. This I did buy from Macy's when I got the Clarins Advent Calendar. I have been wanting to try Sugarfina ever since I saw little acrylic containers that Kelly Strack, who is a YouTube influencer here, she's a New Jersey creator, so she's close to me, and I saw her get them one time probably like a year ago in like a PR package, and have looked at their site a dozen times. And just recently I was going to order, and you can get like bento boxes, you can get, you know, 8, 10, 6 little of the containers with their products, but I didn't know what I would like, what I wouldn't like. So I figured I saw this on Macy's, let me try it. Perfect opportunity to see what I want to order in the future. So this was, like I said, on Macy's. This is their holiday 2021 advent calendar. It was $55. Now, I would not have purchased it at that price, but it was on sale for $38.50. I figured perfect. There's 24 little doors. I'll open this and show you. It opens up very nicely. Very, very cute. And I am going to be honest, I did open some of these because I could not resist. I wanted to place an order so that I would have it. So I wanted to try a few because they were the ones I wanted to order. But I'm going to open each one of these. Now, I'm not going to pick up the calendar each time and all that. I'm just going to go through 1 through 24, show you what's inside. And hopefully that'll work. This is a beautiful little calendar. And these little boxes come out like this. And they have an opening, and this one has the 1 on it. And then inside is just a little, like, tasting for little, and I have to look at the back because I don't know what everything is. Obviously, this is new to me, but I was so excited to try this, and I do believe that is the dark chocolate sea salt caramels, because I do think they're in, like, a decent order here. The next one, number 2, and I'll show you the little box, number 2. And this one here is right here. And that is the Sparkle Pops chocolate, like a little chocolate cake, I do believe, like something like that in there. Like, this is perfect to try it. Or for portion control for cute little snacks. That's what I think. Because I could eat these, but little sections right there. So number 3 should be the little Berry Marys right here. Some of these I did not open. These are like bonbons, so they look interesting. I'm going to move through this as fast as I can because this, you know, it's candy. So here's number 4. I didn't open this. These are like little, and there are 4 of them in there, and these are the holiday presents, you know, the gummies, which I tried 1 or 2 of those. They're pretty good. But like I said, you know, I wanted something to try for myself. Number 5. Did I open number 5? No. Number 5 is little. I should have taken a picture of this so that I didn't have to flip this around. Here, strawberry pacifiers. I wish that would come off, but it does not. Let me pause. I'm going to take a photo of that so I don't have to keep on flipping this around. Okay, took a picture of it so I don't have to keep on flipping the calendar around. So number 6, and I'll show you the little boxes. So, you know, number 6 here is petite strawberries, and I did open these because there's only 3, just to see if I like them. They are delicious. I haven't tried everything, but what I've tried, I love. Number 7. Did not open these. And number 7 is Strawberry Hibiscus Bears. So more like the gummy. If you know somebody that enjoys like candies and treats and you don't know what to get them, this would be perfect, honestly. Number 8 is birthday cake cookies, and I did open these. There were 4. These are so good. I'm going to make sure I get them back in there so that they stay fresh. And I didn't want to open too many or eat too many of them because these are delicious. Number 9 is Peach Hearts. I don't think I opened these, no. And you can see the little peach hearts in there. I'm sure they're delicious. So I did place an order for a bento box so I could try 6 of the ones I loved. Number 10 should be pineapple saxophones. No. Where did, oh no, that's the wrong one. Clementine Bears, that's this one. I did try them, delicious. I like orange. It's 10. Number 11, and these come out very easily. Number 11 is right here. These are pineapple saxophones, and I did try them because I love pineapple, and they really do look like saxophones. You can see the detail on them. These are delicious too. I think I did order them. I didn't order too many gummies when I ordered. Of course, some of these don't want to go back in nicely. So number 12, right here, is Island Pineapple. Island Pineapples. I did try these because I love pineapple. Delicious. Trying to keep these closed. I pushed Oreo further away so she can't get in here and bug me. It's close to her dinner time. Number 13 is Gold Pearls. I did not open these. I didn't want them all over the place, but you get more than the 4 because they are smaller. So that, I'm interested to try those. Get them back in there. Number 4, this would be great to open every day and have a little treat. So number 14 is Birthday Cake Caramels. I don't think I opened these. No. Right here. 4. So tell me what you think of this. You think this is a good idea? I thought so. Number 15 is Melon Cucumber Bears. So they're just like, you know, gummy bears. But some of these I have not tried. I have an all-time favorite in here that I kind of thought I would like. Number 16, which is right here, should be Matcha Bears. Yes. And these are big. And then they have the white on the back. These look delicious. Can't wait to, now that I've done this, open more of them. So this should be Apple Skateboards. Yes. No, maybe I got something wrong here. Oh, the first one that I showed you was Apple Frogs. This is the Matcha Bears and 17. So 16, the one with the white back, is the Apple Frogs. I missed that one. Number 18. That's better. I did try these. These are the Apple Skateboards, and they really do look like skateboards. I missed a color there. So that's 18. 19 right here. My favorite. There's only 2 left. Watermelon slices. The most delicious I've ever tried for a watermelon slice. For candy. I ordered 2 of those in my box. Love them. Number 20. I'm losing my voice. I was out at the supermarket. Oh my. You would have thought it was a holiday. Ice cream cones. I'm open these, but they do look like ice cream cones, if you guys can see. Cute. It's very nostalgic, just adorable. And you can pull them out. The next one after ice cream cones should be, I cannot read that one. Oh, rainbow bears. So just a different, all different colors of the gummies, of the bears, gummy bears. Used to get gummy bears when I was in high school, and the only place that you could get them, you couldn't really buy them out. You had to buy them from somebody in like the German club. I don't think they were readily available out there to buy. So the next one after rainbow bears is, of course I can't see that on my phone. So what is the next one? Oh, baby whales in 22. I didn't open these. And they really do look like baby whales. I think this is so adorable. 22. 23. Some kind of stars. I did open this to try. So there's 3 left. And of course, I cannot tell you what that says. So I'm just going to flip it around and look on the back. So 23 was Heavenly Sours, and then 24 is Santa's Donuts. It's a 24-day calendar. Let me just, but I think this is adorable to keep. You could reuse it because there's no year or anything on there, and you could put tiny little sample products in here if you wanted to reuse this. And then this last box is a different color, 24. And then this is the Santa's cakes. Birthday cakes, and they really do look like mini cakes. I think, like I said, I have plenty of small little sample products that this could be a reuse to, why don't you go back in there? Okay, there we go. Ugh. So that is now everything. Let me move my phone, and everything goes back very nicely right here. I think this is adorable. And like I said, you can see what all the flavors are on the back. I loved the watermelon slices. What else did I try? Like the chocolate stuff. I'm trying to think if I tried. I know I tried the birthday cake cookies. They were good. Like some of them I can't wait. You know, ice cream cones. It's just, to me, this is nostalgia. High school-ish days. So I wanted to get this, but I also wanted to try it before I placed an order. They're not cheap, but if you can catch this on sale, I'll check to see if Macy's still has it. The last time I checked, they do. Definitely a cute little gift to give to anyone. And but if you get it and keep all the candy, you could put other little things inside there. You can go to a dollar store and find stuff, Five Below, find little cute little things, or put papers in. And have little, like, small little bags, like number 1, go to bag 1, 2, and label them, and then give them cute little gifts, 24 gifts for the holidays. Great idea. So that is my Sugarfina Santa's Workshop 2021 Advent Calendar. Let me know what you thought of this one. I love this, and like I said, I did place an order. I have 2 bento boxes coming because I love stuff like this, and I love the portion control of this. Just have to not open too many drawers all at once and eat them all at once, but I have a little bit of willpower when it comes to candy. So thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments down below what you thought of this one. Also, real fast, don't forget, I have memberships, channel memberships active. So if you are interested in joining, click the little join button. It is directly next to the subscribe button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do. It costs you nothing. And when I do giveaways and for future content, you'll be eligible to enter the giveaway by subscribing, and you'll be notified of all my content. I know notifications are not great on YouTube all the time. I upload every Monday through Saturday without fail. And my Sunday videos are generally my winner announcement videos. So if a giveaway ends on a Sunday, the following Sunday, the winners are announced, and so forth. So have a great day, everyone. And I'll see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.